How to delete suggested for you on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete suggested for you on the Facebook app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Facebook app, and if I tap on search, here Facebook will show many people as suggested that I may know. But to remove these people, what you have to do is go back, tap on here friends, and now here you will get the option to remove them. So if I tap on it, they will be removed from my suggestions. And the problem is that there is no option to turn it off all of these ones, all of the people. There is no option I can turn off and all these people will be removed from my suggestions. So there is only option to remove them one by one. So guys, this is how you can delete or remove suggested for you on the Facebook app. Thanks for watching.